today's emails, what. The name should be in text, short text, then the contact should be in number. Okay. And we also come to discount one. There's one thing I realized I made a mistake on. Civil electrical, I was putting in the wrong side, yo. And then chemical. We go back to my relationship. Where was I? Hey, sometimes I mix that data sheet. What? Hey. This one. Let's go to the relationship. What is left now? Oh, the customer details. Did I not put the customer details? Customer details. Okay, customer details. Okay, the name is going to be Roto. The name is going to be. Did I set the text box will receive the numbers instead of text if it's not received, if it's not allowed? Okay, let me see. Numbers. Okay. Roto Bulelwa. Then the contact number is in, and the email. Let's leave it. I always mix these, the design view and the datasheet view. All right, now I'm just doing for the sake of lesson. Okay, nothing much. Create the one pivot door can be under the discount of easy. So no need to enforce the referential integrity. So the relationship type is going to be one to many, meaning that one many pivot door can be under the civil discount, one civil discount. And then we create. Let us also create the relationships among here. And the customer who is doing the relationship type is intermediate. So the customer is doing the quotation on the things that are found under the chemical, and then we put their contact number on the quotation paper. Now like this, I think we can see. You can save and close. Now we go to our Visual Basic, which we were using the very same one that we were having yesterday. We could be quick. At least on the reviewed ICS task 1, we did the interface before recording the video, and then we just came by code. But today is another day. We are starting from the scratch, starting from designing the project, designing the interface, and coding from the scratch. But I will try by all means that I be fast, but I won't be too much fast because you are also doing, but you must be able to follow what we are doing now. This one is called the hardware. It's double S so that we can be able to find it when we go to the project. Let's create the project hardware. Very soon the VB will be loading the form for us so that we can design the interface. Now when we're doing like this, be thinking of the type of an interface that you would prefer or would like to design and see. Like I said always, even in the previous task, be creative. Don't do exactly what I am doing here. Even when I send you, please don't submit as it is. Make sure that you design it in your own way. Here the only thing that we need is for you to understand what is required and how to go about the code. So please don't submit it as it is, because many people come in box asking for this project, and then if you submit it as it is, the teacher will know that you just copied, you didn't do the work, and that's not good. That's not good at all. We don't want you to be in trouble with your lecture. So now in the database we display on what we call it data grid view. We don't just display on anything. So this is what we're going to use for display. Let's go get the buttons. From the buttons, we will do the copy and paste of the different buttons, because we're gonna have one for display, one for update, another one for, we're gonna end up with 4 buttons actually. If you check there. Okay, now other than these 4 buttons, we are to get the text box where we can be able to update maybe the name of the client, the name of the customer. The text box will go hand in hand with the label. And yeah, like this. This I won't design as if I am looking for more marks. You will design nicely and neatly. I'm just designing so that we get over with the work. There we go. Oh, and I received a lot of questions from many people saying, how did you put the company logo on your previous task? So this is how you do it. We use what we call it picture box. If I can see it, picture box. This is what we use. Now on the picture box, there's this arrow on the top towards the right side, and then you click there, you say choose image, and then you say local resources, and then you import it from your laptop. That means the picture will be saved already. Let me see if I have got a picture on the desktop, because mostly I put my things on the desktop when I work. Let me see. What's the button? Image number 7. Open it and see. Oh, right, there you go. Hardware store. Hardware store. And then somebody will say, it did not work. Why can't we see that picture? It's because it wasn't like this. Now when we enlarge it, there we go. Our company logo. Down. Super nice. Super clean. Now here on the customer, let's say name. Here, let's say, oh, I'm used to just typing straightforward, knowing that it's already on the right text. Let me change it to text first. From level 1 to name. From level 2 to name. From level 3 to contact. And then from button 1 to display. Button 2, update. Button 3, delete. What was the other thing that they said we should do? I've forgotten. I'll think of it, because it has to be 4. It's update, display, delete, insert. What did they say? I'll remember. I'll remember. It has to be insert. Yes. Yes. Insert information. Is that the correct spelling for insert? I think it's an R there. Insert. Now like this, we save the project. Save all. After saving it goes, we grab our database. Right click, copy the database. Let's go to our document, and then where is Visual Basic? Visual Studio, I mean to say 24, and then project. Go to project, and then we need the project of the one that we are doing now. It's called hardware. We enter hardware, again hardware, and then we go to bin debug. Inside bin debug, we paste our data. There we go. And we close, and then we go back to VB. It's a lot of work now, but we're almost done. We're almost done. Let's go. Hardware. Now, even for the exams, when you have to do the database, mostly the things that always come is this one: to display, update, insert, and delete. Normally, this is what comes on the exam. So, if you are to learn the code for this, then you're good to go. Can we rename this so that when we go to other parts, like insert and update, we won't have any challenge? Text box 1, we're gonna call it txt name, done. And then text box 2, we're gonna call it txt name, done. And then text box 3, we're gonna call it txt contact, done. And then we currently display with a double click. Woo! Alright, now we are saying we are gonna declare dim connection as new OLEDDB dot OLEDDB connection. We need connection. There we go. And then again we say dim command as new OLEDDB dot OLEDDB command. There we go. Whew. Do you have any questions so far? Now we need to declare what will help us to do with our table. Dim table as new data dot data table. There we go. Our last dim connection string, dim connection string as string, dim connection string as string assigned to inverted commas, capital letter P, and then the small letter provider. Please don't make any mistakes on the database. Once you make one small mistake, everything goes boom. Capital letter M for Microsoft, and then the rest is small letters, eh? And then after Microsoft, we say dot jet dot capital letter OLEDDB dot. Now that we are using Microsoft Office of 2013, we need to use 4.0. And then, no, this is not the one I want. Yes, this is the one I want. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it's called. And then we say our data source, capital letter S, again, small letter, data source. Data source assigned to the name of our database. Our database is called what? Hardware, right? Can I just confirm again? It's a hardware with a small letter. Okay, let's say hardware. I think I said it like that. Dot MDB, Microsoft Data Base. Okay, we are done with part 1. We're coming to part 2, which is to use the try and catch method. Try catch your X connection dot connection string assigned to connect assigned to connection string. Now we come to command. Before we can do the command, can we open the connection? Yeah, let me just open the connection while I still can. If I forget, connection dot open, and then don't forget to put the two brackets as you open your connection. And then now we can come to the command dot connection. Now we are linking our command with our connection so that the connection can be linked between the database and the micro and the Visual Studio, and then the command will go to the database and say I want this and bring it back to the Visual Studio. Now we say command dot connection assigned to connection. There we go. Now the command has gone to take. Now the question will be, command, where are you going to take and what are you going to take? Therefore, for us to know that, we will need command text. Now the command text will go assigned to, let me do this, capital letter, select. Can I find the star? Select from. We have to select from our table. What was the name of the table? Let's go with one of the table. It says item. Product. Okay, product. I think I did it correctly. Right. Okay. The one about the database is that when you do one mistake, the whole thing doesn't work, and you have to find out where is the mistake. Now the table doesn't have double D. Table dot load. Now our table is to load what we have taken that set as a command. Command dot execute. It must execute. I almost said execute non-reader because execute non-reader is here. We need execute reader because we are reading. The non-reader is the other one. I will explain it when we get to it. Execute non-reader is double bracket. I hope I did it correctly. One mistake that we did, we didn't name our data grid view. This one, let's rename it. Our data grid view data grid view 1. Programming everything is chopped. Okay. So did I click something else when it's loading like this and not finishing? Did I make a mistake? Oh God. I pray that I didn't make any mistake. Okay, we do not have the room for the mistake, okay? DGV display. Okay, let's go back to the code and then we say DGV display. It is going to display from the data source. Wait, where it is our table. Okay, whatever you open in programming, you must also close. Now we open our connection. Now we need to close the connection. Remember, when you open, we put those two brackets. We must put them again. Now we are using the try-catch method. So the try-catch method says if then there is no any error or mistake, it must work. If not, then catch and bring us the message. The message box dot show. The message box must show what? The message box must say, let's say ex dot ex dot message, or you can say the database is not found, or you can say you have done a mistake. Don't just do what I did. Be creative. Come up with something. Do something. Yeah. Okay, let's run and see if we are winning. We have to win. The code is there. You can see it. This is it. The time, I'm not sure if you're still winning. EX message. What have we done wrong? Let's go back to our code and see if we did a mistake. Okay, our database is hard. The spelling of hardware, I'm not sure if it's the one. Can I go to the hardware? Yeah, I think that could be the mistake we did. Hardware. Okay, let's see. Let's see back. Oh, that is the only mistake. Switching throughout the code, it's a job. The HE message again. Hey. What could be the mistake now? Select from that. Let's see from that. Only and then leave it hard. Okay. Let's see if we are winning. There we go. There we go. This is our database. It linked it from the MS Access to the VB. As you can see, you've got all the information, sliding door. You can get the one in red, in brown, in gray. Pivot doors. You can get the spade. Yeah, this is the one I said. There has to be a mistake. I know. So it's okay. I'll fix it when we go to that side. Okay. And then if you check here, we are only using information from one table, not from all the tables. So we will work on getting other tables. So now we are coming to update, delete, and insert. And then we'll be done with our code, with our practical assessment task 2. Excuse me for the call that just entered. Alright, yo, this is too much. Which one should I start with? My brain is freezing now. And one thing that you need to know is that the code is the same. There's no need to code everything. You just change here and there. Okay? Okay, I'll show you what I mean. Let's come to button update. And then the PC go blank like that. And on the time I will still say you mustn't exceed the time that we agreed on, because a long video sometimes discourage people from learning. So we'll do much more and small. Okay, update. Let's work on update quickly. Good part is that we can copy the code and paste it, and copy the code and paste it. Did it open? Because I'll wait thinking that it has opened and it has not yet opened. So what do I mean by copying? So if you check this first part of the code, this one, it's the same. There's no need to code it again. You just copy it. And then we put it on the update button, and then we continue coding. You see, we saved some time. Connection. There's another code here. Connection. Yeah, this is. No, so this one a connection open. Let's just yeah. Okay. Copy. And let's do the try catch method again. It does help when waiting and not seeing where the mistake is at. And then from open, imagine we copied all this. We saved time. Okay. Now let's continue. Let's say the name at first name. Name at first name. No, we can't start from name at first name. We need to use the command. Hey, I'm rushing. I'm forgetting that up there we use the command dot command text. It's already on the command text. I love it. Assign to. Now what are we doing here? This is the part that we must always do. If you remember, there we used select from, but then when it comes to update, we don't use select from. We use update. And then what are we updating? We are updating our text box is called what? We did it up here. It's called product. We are updating the product small letters. We should not do mistake. Product. And then we use update set. Here we go. Update set. Then now we come to that part I was rushing. Name add assessment name, add assessment. Let me say assign to. Assign to. Yes, assign to assessment. Assign to assessment, comma. Name. Assign to add second name. Yeah, updating the name of the customer. The contact part you will update. I can't be doing everything, otherwise I'll finish next year. So to save time, let me just update the two. Now when we update the two, we first declare. We must declare our already be parameters. So dim name, dim name as new already be dot already be parameter, already be parameter, already be parameter. Now open the bracket and inside the bracket we put there we go, and then add first name. There we go. Then the first name must be the text box of name dot text. There we go. This declares our second dim name as new already be dot already be parameter, the parameter that is going to receive it's at second name. My entry spelling is incorrect. Second name, comma, the text box is dotted surname. Those are the two things that we are going to. Okay, command dot parameter. Where is my parameters? Okay, dot add. And we are going to add the dot add. Okay, where are we going to add? We're going to add the parameter of the param. What we're going to say name. Where is this name? Yes, I was using it now. And then command dot parameter dot add. What are we adding? The surname. There we go. And then we come to our DGV display, and then we call it like that, DGV display. And lastly, we need to close our connection. No, before we close our connection, the last time we were speaking about the non-reader and readable. Yes, this is the time where I now do that which I was supposed to. That's right. The battery of the laptop is gone now. Okay, let's just do this command. I'll go and pick up the the charger dot execute command. I'm speaking by mouth, and in my head I think I did, and I didn't execute. Now this one is unlike that one. This one is just to be non-query execute. What is it? Execute non-query. There we go. Execute non-query. Let me remove this one. I'll fix it later. Okay, now do that. It's crazy. It needs to be done here. After the execute non-query, that's when I have to display. Display dot data. My data source, as always, is a data source, and the data source must do the table. And then I didn't close up the connection up then. Yeah, now then I have to close it down here. Connection dot close. Thank you. And then as a try catch, I need to use a message box. Message box dot show. Okay. What will the message box show this time around? Record update successfully. Not sure if the spelling for successfully is the correct one. Okay, let me go get the charger. Oh. Whew. Yeah, let me go get the charger so that we can finish this exam. We're almost done. Almost. Just hold it there 1 minute. I'll be back. I'm back. I almost said I'm back. Okay. Hey, must not keep the laptop. I read it all in this project. Somebody's gonna cry. Like power down before it loses the information. Yes, now it's charging. Aye, what happened? Oh, yes. Is it charging well? You guys doesn't want me to finish this. So now already I'm behind. I'm starting to be behind time, my friend. Starting to be behind time. There we go. Alright. 1 minute again. There we go. Okay, done with update. Let's go to delete. Let's quickly finish this thing and then we rest time. The job has been too much. You know that whenever we start with that. Oh God, we started with this. Maybe we take this and delete it. I thought I copied that one, this one. So, let me copy this one. Copy. Let me put it here. Paste. And from there we come to try attachment after. Okay, we are teaching all your X. And then connection string. Hey, string attached. You and yes, teaching your X connection string. Don't catch you. Because I know somebody has already catched. Let's open our connection. Connection dot open. Okay. Connection dot open. Now you know the part that comes always is the command text. And after the command text, that's when we get to know where is the color. Rivala. It's Allah. And whatever that is happening is delete this time around. Delete goes hand in hand with from. Unlike update, it's set and insert into. So this is delete from. We are deleting from. Where are we deleting from? We are deleting from the product. Yes. It's the table name product. Is correct. I was about to say no. Yes, we are deleting from product. Where in product capital letter. Where space. Yes, good. Can I remember? Just hold it there for me. Let me debug and see. I've forgotten already. Okay, there you go. Pivot door. We can come and delete one item. Pivot door. Oh no, it has to do with the text box. Oh, sorry, my bad. Excuse me. It has to do with the text box. Let's see. Name. Name. Like what we did up there, and then from there we just declare one parameter. The name, nothing to new. LDB parameter. Where are you? LDB parameter. I can't seem to see the name. LDB P. Yeah, the LDB then parameter will pop up. Okay. LDB parameter, and then inside the price we put the it's our name, it's our first name. Please don't make mistakes. One mistake, the entire code does not work. So please don't make that mistake. Now we're gonna use the text box of name. Just here. Now command dot parameter dot add. This reminds you of the updating when we do the command parameter dot add. Sorry, what are we adding? We're adding the name. This thing always repeats itself, yo. So we execute now. Redirect. Why? Tend to just understand. Command execute. Yeah. Copy and paste. Be creative, please don't do as I do. I'm tired already, that's why you're seeing me doing this. Record deleted successfully. Deleted successfully. Now let's come to our last part. Copy this quickly. We're gonna leave it where you go. So without the time. Coming to the last button. Insert. Should have put it in the front. I don't know what's wrong with me. Try. When you come to try page, always after the try you must do the connection, that connection being assigned to connection. Connection being connected. Then we open the connection. Connection got open. There you go. From opening the connection, just do this one last miracle. I wish I can just speak at the computer type. Whenever we finish the connection or opening of the connection, guys, you must know that always you must come to command text. That one is a must. Always you should know that is the step that follows command text assigned to. And then this is where it differs. It's either it says insert, it's either it says select, it's either it says what again? It's either it says update or delete, and then this time around it's saying what? And whatever it's saying, it must be written in capital letter. Don't forget that. Insert into. What are we inserting into? Insert into and the update is the same. Believe me, guys, it's the same. I'm just going to copy from the update. If you check, I'm just only doing copy. Nice, guys. I'm about to finish. I'm already tired. I'm doing one, not two. Like, you will do as you wish. Uh, my insert into I just left it and hanging. I can see we are inserting into what the name of our chapter is pro. I'm taking with one hand now. Product has to be small letters. Small letters. So that there we go. Alright guys, forgive me. Let me just try it for you. And then from there I might open and close the bracket. And then I just put name. Yeah. And then the outside of the bracket. And that's where we put our value. That's where we place value in capital letter. So just get to know the words that are used on the insert. It's the insert, into, and the value. On the other one, it's select from, update, You just get to know those words. You're safe on the theory part and also on the practical part. You are safe. Yeah. Let me open another bracket. And then I select it. And then okay, the textbook, the name is already there, then that means we are good to go. Nope. And then what? The bracket method. The boss. Now I'm feeling like a drunkard, eh? So say make the bracket nowadays. Say yeah, they do. I It is wrong. I am writing that it is wrong. What else do we need? Everything is here. Yeah, so that's the code. If you need it, you come inbox. I will send it to you, and then you go. You do your. You change you however you want. Because you find that there is a student who is submitting these practical reviewed access to assessment to like this, the way it is. Instead of changing the logo, put another one, enlarge the buttons, take this one here, there, this one there, change this and do whatever you want to do. And then also on the database, you change. If you find that there's someone using the very same information that is in my database. And guys, remember, this is the information that is on the reviewed access practical assessment 1. All these are found and practical assessment 1. So it's a continuation to me. So on your side, I'm not sure if this is the continuation. And if it's not the continuation, very well. How come do you how come do you how come do you use what you did not use on the practical assessment 1 on your practical assessment 2? So make sure that whatever you use on 2, it is what you use on 1, then it will make sense. So, yeah. God bless you. Your body says buy our YouTube membership. This one is 14 rand. If you buy with 14 rand, you come in box and you say, hey, this is my name, this is my surname. I bought this membership and I go and I check and I confirm. You don't do the assignment. I do for you. I send you your own special. You can sell to others in the campus and you make money on yourself. Or else you just submit that one if you don't want to do it. But thank you so much for following. We just exceeded time with a little, right? We are done. God bless you. Have a blessed day and get all the parts.